Alright, today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the oil turbo feed line in my 2011 Chevy Cruze 1.4 liter turbo GM. Okay, here's the part here, here's the part number, here's the part we got down here. We can see there's oil leaking here. These go out, it's common. If you smell oil burning, yada yada, but you can look there, we got oil. So this new part has also a heat shield. It has double washers compared to the other one. We'll compare side by side. And yeah, so we'll get started on that. Get an E10 socket. We're gonna remove 3 bolts on the heat shield, 1, and 1. Now I sprayed a little brake clean just around the parts we're taking off, and we're gonna get another E10 socket. Is gonna be for that bolt right here, and then a T4.
T45 is the correct size, but you can get away with a T40.
For this one here, screw those. That part should shimmy out. Alright, here's the old part, new part side by side. So go ahead, put the new part in.
Torque to 71 inch-pounds / 8 Newton meters. Easy to strip, do not over tighten. Torque to 15 foot-pounds, 20 Newton meters.
Start the car, check for leaks. Put engine heat shield back on, hand snug those bolts. Thank you.